Welcome back to Crypto Airdrop channel. The earn while idle wave hasn't cooled down, and the community is buzzing with a new name, NodePay. Just utilize your PC's online time to mine coins and hunt for airdrop opportunities. Let's dive into a simple, easy-to-understand guide on how to earn NodePay airdrops. What is NodePay? NodePay is a decentralized network that allows users to monetize their unused internet bandwidth by contributing to the network. This resource is used to train AI, aiding the advancement of artificial intelligence. The project has secured investment from three major funds, Animoca Brands, Jump Crypto, and Elevate Ventures, providing a strong foundation for rapid growth. With this robust backing, NodePay is expected to become a formidable competitor to major players like Grass, Dawn, and Gradient Network. NodePay has officially confirmed an airdrop for users running nodes, attracting over 200,000 participants. Currently, Season 0 has ended, and Season 1 has begun, so this is still a great time to join and hunt for project airdrops. What does NodePay offer? NodePay enables users to leverage excess bandwidth to contribute to AI development. Through blockchain, the platform establishes a marketplace that connects users with organizations in need of computational resources. Not only does it optimize network resource use, but NodePay also opens up income opportunities for users by rewarding those who contribute to the network. Additionally, NodePay places a high priority on user privacy. All personal data is strictly protected, ensuring that no one, including AI partners, can access or infringe upon it. NodePay Airdrop Guide. The project is currently in Season 1, where participants can run nodes and complete tasks to earn NodePay points. The project has confirmed an airdrop for users participating in this program. Step 1. Go to the NodePay website. Enter your email and username to register an account. Then log in to NodePay. Step 2. After logging in, go to the Mission and Rewards section and check in daily to earn points. You can also refer friends to the project. Referring one friend gives you 100 points, while 10 friends give you 500 points. More levels are available. Step 3. Complete simple social tasks like connecting to, joining Discord, Twitter, and verifying your email to earn more points. Connect with Discord and claim your first 100 points. Next, link with the X social network. Repeat with other tasks to earn points. Once complete, move to the next step. Step 4. Download and install the NodePay extension. Then activate the NodePay extension and pin the application to Chrome's toolbar for easy access. Step 5. After downloading, open the NodePay extension and click Activate. If the node's status shows activated, you've successfully activated it. Step 6. Return to the NodePay website. Go to the Medal and Boost section to claim medals. This feature allows you to receive a multiplier ranging from 1.15x to 1.42x while running NodePay. You'll see a total of 7 medals to claim. However, new users cannot yet claim 2 medals. I was early in Node Tester, which may be available in the future. How to earn medals. Bandwidth provider. Run for 100 hours online. Proof of humanhood. Connect 3 types of accounts, X Discord, and email. 10 successful referrals. Invite 10 friends. Founder. Achieve the new founder role on NodePay's Discord by completing the following tasks. Invite 10 people to Discord and have 100 referrals on NodePay. Complete the founder mission on Zeely, a total of 8 quests. Download the NodePay extension and give it a 5-star rating. Post about NodePay on Reddit in our /passive income and our /airdrops channels. Be active in the Discord channel. Only 150 slots are available, and qualified participants will enjoy exclusive benefits, such as a 1.42x point multiplier, free NFT minting, voting, and early access to test new features. Heron Browser Supporter. Download and use the Heron browser for 14 days with the same email account registered for NodePay. Thank you for watching this video. I've just guided you on how to join NodePay's testnet. Hopefully, NodePay will become as successful as grass. Wishing you success and profits with this project. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.